So, maaga kaming gumising ni Mirna para maglamyerda dito sa beachside. Actually, malapit lang yung hotel namin sa beach. And this is how their beach looks like. This is Maike Beach. Actually, guys, yung feels dito, it reminds me of Hyundai Beach in Busan. Ano kasi siya eh, may beach and then over here makikita nyo yung mga buildings. If you remember yung ating vlogs nung nag-Korea ako, very similar yung vibes. Okay din naman yung mga sand dito. Ano siya, fine yung sand. Hindi siya ganun kasing puti ng sa Boracay, pero definitely hindi mabato. So, ayun, hanap lang kami ng pupwestuhan ni Mirna. And then, mag-swim na kami. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa may pool area ng hotel kasi hindi na namin kinayang init sa beach. And, bumili kami nitong sugarcane na juice. In fairness, masarap siya. Sa halagang 20 pesos. So, nyo yun. Buti pa dito, guys, sa Vietnam, ang mamura ng mga ng mga bagay-bagay.
Trying to feel anything, but then I see you over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine? Have you got something to say now? 'Cause I've been holding my breath. I've got a bad habit of talking too much, and it usually ends in regret. But then I see you over there dancing, and it all slows down, I'm rushing in now. And I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste all of my precious time. Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine? Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Won't you come on over later and waste all of my precious time? Is this what it looks like, honey? 'Cause I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
Okay, so nandito na kami sa ano nga to, Hoi An. Chika, na kami sa Hoi An. Sumakay kami dito sa ano boat na may mga pa-lantern, kineme. So, ayan.
And girl, nandun yung mga lantern festival.
True. Kita nyo guys, ayan, lagi mga ano. Para lang tong ano, similar to dun sa ano, yung sa BGC, ay sa BGC, sa McKinley. Alam mo sa McKinley? Yung sa Venetian, yun. Parang ganun siya. Ganun yung feels niya. Pero may pa-lantern, saka sa gabi siya. Mas maganda siya pag sa gabi. Kasi yun nga, you can see all the vibrant colors dito. Ayun, so umorder lang kami sa Klook ng ticket. At clean-name lang namin siya. Pero hindi ko sure kung ma-advise ko pa talaga na gawin nyo yun. Kasi nahagard kami maglakad. At paghahanap kay Kuya Vels, saka akala namin kasi hindi na kami pipila. Parang pagkadating namin, ano na agad, sakay na agad. Kasi nga di ba nga nag-pre-book ka nga. Pero no, bumila pa rin kami. Siguro mga ano din. Although saglit lang naman, mga 15 minutes lang. Mga 15 minutes din kami nag-wait ng boat. So, ayun. Same lang naman guys ng presyo. If you will buy dito mismo sa Hoi An or magpe-pre-book kayo. Ang bilihan dito is yung mismong boat. So, kung solo ka, babayaran mo yung isang trip. Which is, I think, mga nasa around 300 pesos yata siya. Kung, sa ano na natin yun sa peso na yun, sa pera na natin. So, kung may kasama kayo, then, ayun, di mas bongga. So, ayun. We'll just enjoy the rest of the night. Hanapin pa namin mamaya yung lantern At pag-picture-picture kami ni Mirna doon.
Calling back my energy from every single thing that wasn't meant for me. Old friends, ex-lovers, and my